Right, you are now on camera.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
Don't let him hurt you.
Jane Gauntlet talking to our correspondent. Couple of headlines for you now. A man who escaped from a prison van and fled to Spain 5 years ago was convicted today on a firearms charge. Armed men helped Clifford Hobbs break out from the van in Brixton in June 2003. He was on the way to court to face charges over a failed raid on a
He's scared a bit.
Hobbs was rearrested last year in Malaga and extradited. Today he was convicted of having a firearm with intent to escape from custody. The jury resumes deliberations on another charge tomorrow. And the government was tonight accused of frittering away taxpayers' cash after it emerged the bill for consultants working on the 2012 Olympics has already reached £148 million. Tory MP John Hayes said he doubted whether that kind of spending could be justified. But the Olympics Minister Tessa Giles said it was essential for ensuring the Games stays on track.
Stop.
Now, etiquette of modern